here, move your top back away. Water coming right out of the bottom of the washing machine.
Do it again.
You can see it, water coming out of the bottom of the washing machine, right out of that bottom corner. Is there a light in here? Yes. Probably see it better now. It's actually making a puddle. We're going to set the washer, we're going to move the washer forward. Move the washer forward. You can see there's a big puddle of water right here coming out of the washing machine, which is what caused this loss.